Hello all, I am Dr. Sita and I am an orthopedician and I am practicing basically in Germany for around 4 to 5 years now, nearly it's 4.5 years now. So I belong to Trivandrum itself and I came down for my vacation and I happened to have met with an injury to my neck. It was just a open stretch, outstretched injury while climbing down the stairs. So as being an orthopedician, obviously I have gone for my symptomatic management of having painkillers, but it wasn't helping me at all. So gradually what happened, after 20 days I started to develop stiffness around my neck, that is my cervical region, and I was unable to rotate my neck. Then there in Germany we used to follow management of comprehensive technique which is known as VAXD, and I happened to know about this in Kerala, that is in Trivandrum, that is Vijayansi. So I wasn't reluctant, I was going ahead for this treatment, and I have completed my 20 sessions as of now, and I am completely totally relieved from my present symptoms and condition. So being a doctor, especially an orthopedician, why I recommend this vertical axial decompression technique? Because there, especially towards the Europe, we has incorporated this comprehensive technique of VAXD, we call it in short form. So this technique is actually relieving your compression, especially in your spinal cord, whether it is your low back or it is your cervical, that is your neck or your low back areas. So here what we do is, normally we have is a positive pressure between the cushions, that is between the two discs we have a vertebral cushions. So in simple language I can say, use the term as cushion, we have positive. So whenever we sit or we meet with any kind of accident, or is there any postural defect or any obesity, all these have impact over your spinal cord. So gradually what happens is, it leads to stenosis, that is narrowing of the canal, leading to compression of the nerves and its branches, which we later develop spasm, leading to it accompanied by pain along the neighboring muscle area, and what happens is we won't be able to move and do our day-to-day regular activities. So what this VAXD actually does is, it gives a negative pressure to the cushion area by giving a partial vacuum. In my day-to-day practice, in my patients, like we have categories of young adults and old age patients. So like we can say, suppose if I say around 40 to 60 years of patients who already met with this kind of injuries, or they had any spinal stenosis and all, they had shown very much improvement with this VAXD technique. So we don't recommend surgery for the initial stages. So we have incorporated this during our day-to-day practices, and it has given around 70 to 85% of like positive result. So what if we say, like, is there any negative impact, or is there any anything which happens like patient will aggravate the pain and all? As of now, like we have done journal studies and all, and if you check it online, we can see in WebMD and all, like we haven't experienced so far, like sometimes some patients due to the postural defect for the initial first 2 days used to have an intriguing high pain in the spinal region, especially low back patients, and cervical people will have shoulder pains. But during those sessions we used to stop the session and wait and give them a relaxation by giving some alternate physical therapies which has been incorporated in VAXD. So both are actually clubbed along. So like if you are clubbing along these two together, I would say that it is much preferable than going for a surgery, because these are actually relieving the disc compression in general. So the result is also very good, and you can see in all the journals, and we ourselves have our own journals on VAXD techniques, and that is why I personally also recommend this to others, so that they can follow in the initial state. And who are the patients who are not included in this session of treatment? So we have to exclude patients with severe senile arthritic changes in their bones, in spinal canals, those are having tumors, those are having any infection like Pott's disease and all. These are all not recommended to go for VAXD sessions. Whereas the initial stages like obesity kind of patients, we will ask them to do physical activities, physical training. So clubbing with this, they can incorporate this treatment and also have a great outcome and they will be able to do their regular activities like whatever they want to do, but we have to maintain a correct posture. Certain criteria have to be maintained in this case. Suppose if you are taking that session, doesn't mean that lifelong you are perfect with it. So, what we as a human, we also have to change our sedentary lifestyles. We have to improve our lifestyle changes, and we have to improve our postural changes. All these things are also incorporated in this. So, like in general, I can say that this is obviously a very improved technique. Like, we do not have to rush in for a surgery. Suppose if a patient is quite young and he had developed injury due to some bike accident or some kind of accidents or domestic falls, first he can go for this management, which is especially recommended. And here in Kerala, we are lucky to have Vijay especially it is in the heart of the city itself. So, there is no problem in the transportations and all. We can come and have a look, and here all the staff, everyone is very much cooperative, and they explain you the details. So, in general, I would recommend Vijay, which is situated in the heart of the city of Trivandrum, and this is the best place I can say, that especially for youngsters and even the middle aged patients who are suffering from low backache and cervical pain should definitely come here, because here the staff and all is very much cooperative, and they explain you the procedures, and I will say this is the best place to have and safe technique to follow up, so that we do not have to rush in for any massive invasive surgical techniques.